Today we're going to learn about introductions. Introductions are in any type of writing, and they tell you the beginning or introduce the topic. Let's look at some informational books, and see what their introductions look like. First, let's look at Amazing Ants. On the first page, I have the introduction. It says, ants are small insects. They live in groups called colonies. All of the ants in a colony work together to build a nest, find food, and take care of their young. So in this introduction, it tells me what the book is going to be about. It introduces the topic, which are ants that are insects. Now let's look at an informational book called Chocolate. This introduction says, many people love the taste of chocolate. They put chocolate in cookies and ice cream. They make hot drinks with it. They make delicious chocolate cakes and desserts. And they eat it all by itself as a treat. This introduction grabs the reader's attention because it tells you that a lot of people like chocolate, and then it tells you what chocolate is in. That's what the book's going to be about, what chocolate is in. The topic is chocolate. Last, we're going to look at an informational book about baseball. This introduction says, when you think about Major League Baseball, you probably think of lots of people sitting in a ballpark cheering for their favorite team. You probably picture baseball teams with players from all around the world, but baseball wasn't always this way. This introduction tells us that it's going to tell about the topic baseball, and it grabs our attention because it tells you that baseball might not be what you think it always was. Now let's look at what your introduction should look like on your activity list. On your activity list, you're going to be doing an introduction on a foursquare. Your writing is going to be about making food without electricity. In my introduction, I put, this is a recipe for making food without electricity. This is my introduction because it tells me the topic, food without electricity, and it gets the reader's attention because I tell them that I'm going to be writing a recipe for it. Now, it's your turn to fill out the paper in the resource area, and then on your activity list, you'll also be doing your introduction for a food. Good luck!